I've implemented a common feature of PC-based rhythm games called rates. Rates let a player play a song faster or slower. It's a bit of a niche feature because songs tend to sound worse when you change their playback speed. Another problem is that most rhythm games don't fully integrate the rate feature with the rest of the game. Sometimes songs with rates don't have an assigned difficulty number, or you can't save your high score, or there's no leaderboards, or there are UI issues. I didn't solve all these problems, but I solved some, and I can talk about solutions to the others. When a user selects a song they want to play, they will now see a rate button that shows the current rate. If they click on the button, the rate selection menu will pop up. Next to each rate option is the difficulty associated with it, or ... if it's still processing. The user can scroll up or down indefinitely, which will cause new rows to be added and be populated with the associated difficulties. It wouldn't be reasonable to personally decide a difficulty number for any possible rate for each of the songs in the game. So what I did instead was implement an auto difficulty algorithm, which can determine the difficulty of any song, and I let the algorithm run client side, and I made it simple enough that it will run very quickly on most computers. Leaderboards and replays still work. Local storage and database entries are keyed based on the hash of the notes and their time positions, so they didn't require a change. The UI still isn't really set up for rates. Ideally, you could see all the rates you've played a song at before, probably via a drop-down menu. That way the high scores would be separate. I didn't do that yet because it'd be a lot of work, and I'm still not sure how rates should fit into the overall design of my game. So I just set a rule that a score only counts for a high score if it's at a rate of 1.0 or higher. That's it for now. If you want to follow the development of the game, or volunteer for testing the playable alpha, join the Discord server. There's a link in the description. Until next time, farewell.